How to reset your Discord's settings. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can reset your Discord's settings. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your Discord. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. And after you've opened up your Discord, what you can then do is head over to your user's settings. So right here, you'll find your user settings, tap on it, and you should be right here. After you're here, you can see different settings available. What you can do is you can head over to your voice and audio settings. And after you're here, if you scroll down, you will see a lot of different settings. Now, if you want to reset all of your settings, what you'll have to do is simply search for an option that says reset your settings. If you don't find it, it's completely all right. You can head over to debugging section right here, and there you will see reset voice and video settings. Tap on it and tap on OK. Then your Discord will restart or reload and your settings will have been reset. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.